Hey, little explorers. Welcome back. I am your friend Ravi. Something magical is happening at VaruSphere today. Let me take you there. Tell me something. Have you ever given a toy to a friend and never got it back? And later you thought, wait a minute, that was mine. Well, guess what? The same thing happens online, but with your data. Your name, your favorite color, your birthday. Companies collect all of this. Why? Because data is the new gold. Let's go on an adventure to uncover this mystery. Let's play a game. I'll ask you a question. Think fast. What do we use gold for? Yes, you're right. It is used for making jewelry, as money, as a treasure for a fun treasure hunt. What do we use data for? Let's find out. Now imagine if someone took all your toys without asking and started selling them. That's exactly what happens when we don't protect our data. Let's look for clues to find out where our data is going. Can we find something in the world of online games? Ever played a game and it asked, "Can I know your name and birthday?" Why does a game need that? We love to watch cartoons. Ever notice that after watching one dinosaur video, your screen shows more dinosaur videos? That's because apps collect your choices. Okay, who doesn't shop online from Blinkit to Zomato to the world-famous Amazon to even booking a cab to a place? You search for red shoes, and suddenly you see ads for red shoes everywhere. Why? Because the internet tracks what you like. Now, let's meet a friend who learns about data the hard way. This is the story of Ravi, the super clicker. Ravi is a curious boy who loves playing online games. He lives in a futuristic, high-tech city where everything is connected to the internet. Ravi signs up for a fun new game. But wait, the game asks, "What's your name?" He types, "Ravi." "What's your favorite color?" He types, "Blue." "Can we see your camera?" He clicks, "Yes." Ravi doesn't realize he's giving away his information. "If I click fast, I can play now." Ravi clicks, "Yes, yes, yes," on all questions. One day, Ravi sees a weird ad that says, "Hey Ravi, want a blue toy car?" Wait, how do they know his name and favorite color? Uh-oh, I think I shared too much. Ravi's friend Aisha says, "Ravi, always check what you're sharing. Protect your data like a secret treasure." Ravi starts asking permission before sharing online. Ravi starts using strong passwords. Ravi starts saying no to unnecessary questions. And most important of all, Ravi informs his parents when he sees something fishy. Now Ravi controls his data. His secrets stay safe. Ravi teaches his friends, and soon, all kids know how to protect their digital gold. Did you know some countries have laws to protect kids' data? Like COPPA, Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. What if, in the future, we had invisible shields around our data? Or passwords that only unlock with a smile? What do you think? It's time for your Data Privacy Challenge. Follow the steps to protect your data. Step 1. Go to your favorite app and check what information do you share. Step 2. Ask a grown-up to help change your privacy settings. Step 3. Think of a super strong password. Something like Savvy 2024. Now tell me, what's one thing you can do to protect your data? If data is the new gold, how will you keep yours safe? If you had fun today, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures. Let's sing the Data Gold jingle.
Click, click,
Savvy tries to say a super long password but gets tongue-tied. Ah, too many letters. Kids repeat after Savvy. Silly snakes slither swiftly south on sandy shores.